What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome to a piano tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to play Justin Bieber featuring Chance the Rapper, Holy. Alright, so if you're new here, welcome aboard. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. So we're going to go ahead and get right into today's video. This is going to be Justin Bieber, Holy, featuring Chance the Rapper. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the way I play it. There's two different ways to play it, so let's go ahead and get right into it here. So the first way is... All right, so you can do it that way, or you can play it a little bit higher with the pinky, with the melody on the pinky, so... All right, so it's in the key of F sharp. So we're going to start off with the F sharp. Down to the F. We're going to go down to that D sharp. So D sharp. And then we're going to go down to that B. So let's do that again. So F sharp, F, D sharp, B. So let's get some rhythm in there. All right, so this one, like I said, we're gonna keep it basic. We're gonna keep it simple. So that's all you're really doing. All right, so now we got the bass line nice and learned. We did that a couple times. Let's go ahead and move over to the right hand. So we're gonna go, instead of doing the basic, we're gonna go ahead and move it up to, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and move down my octave since I'm on a 61 note keyboard here. All right, so the first little chord we're gonna do is gonna be the F sharp chord. So it's A sharp, C sharp, F sharp. All right, so let's go that. So let's say F sharp. Now it's gonna be a D flat chord. So G sharp, C sharp, and then F. So G sharp, C sharp, F. So far we have. So let me go ahead and play it like. All right, so now we're gonna be at the E flat chord here. So F sharp, A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, D sharp, and then it's going to resolve on that B. So we're going to have the B, D sharp, and then F sharp. So B, D sharp, F sharp. All right, so far we have. So that's together, right? So let's add some rhythm. All right, so what I just played was Justin Bieber's and Chance the Rapper's Holy. If you guys want to know the other version, I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you guys right now, so stick around for that. All right, so to play it the simple way, all right, so the way I just showed you was playing it with the first inversion. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch it out here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to play it just the normal way. So the basic dumbed down way is going to be like this here. All right, so let me go ahead and do this here for you guys. All right, so it's going to be an F sharp chord. So on the left hand, you're going to have your F sharps. And then right hand, you're going to have your... So F sharp, A sharp, and then C sharp. All right. And then all we're gonna do is gonna move down the thumb. These two fingers here. So keep the C sharp. So that's all we're doing. So the next chord is gonna be the D flat chord. So we have F in our bass, and then we have the F, G sharp, C sharp. So we're going from this chord here, which is the F sharp, to the D flat chord. Now we're going to go to the E flat minor chord. Now the E flat minor, we have the D sharps in our bass. Then we have D sharp in the right hand, F sharp, A sharp. That's going to be the minor chord there. So we went from, and now we just have our B chord. So we have the B's in the bass. We have our B in our right hand, D sharp, F sharp. All right, so that's all we do. We just or we can do all right, so that's how you play Justin Bieber / Chance the Rapper, the Holy. So if you guys like this tutorial and found it to be valuable, hit that thumbs up button. Please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a piano tutorial, you will be notified. Thank you again for watching. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we're out.